Konnichiwa. Good morning. It is alas 12 na, but I'm so sleepy. Nasa bus station kami. Papunta na kaming Kyoto. So we took the train, train station pala. So we took the train from Yodoyabashi, yung malapit sa hotel namin. Tapos supposedly, sasakyan namin ay Keihan Line na train papuntang Temabashi. Sumakay naman kami sa Keihan Line, although dun sa platform, dalawa yung Keihan Line. Hindi namin sure kung alin yung tunay. Sumakay kami sa isa, tapos sinusundan namin sa map kung tama yung stops. Tama naman, like for the first 3-4 stops. Tapos nag-iba. So bumaba kami. So lilipat kami ng train. Sana tama na yung susunod. Nakakalito. Kyoto. Kakarating lang namin. Buti pinag-check-in kami ng maaga. 2 PM pa lang. Tapos, ito yung hotel namin. Ang ganda sa loob. Mamaya mag-video ako. And dahil gutom kami, sabi ko kumain kami. Ito, may katabi kaming restaurant. It's called Kyo Chabana. Meron silang set menu. And, ang cute. Ito yung entrance. Liit. Yan, sa Redo Cafe. Ah, iba pala. Kasi Kyo Chabana yun. This is sa Redo Cafe. Doon tayo sa taas. Iba pa pala yun. Meron doon. Meron din dito. This is our lunch. Yung sa akin may fried chicken and fried shrimp. Yung kay Matt may patties and something else.
Exactly the same as yours, just with a patty.
Ah, okay. So, may kasama na rin drink and may crepe ang padating. Done eating! Ang sarap! Ngayon, babalik na kami sa hotel, which is next door lang, para magpahinga ng konti, and then we're gonna head to Gion. So this is our hotel. It's very nice. Good. That's the restaurant. Lobby. This is our room. And bukas na siya. May pinto dito. Sliding door. Before sa mismong bed area. Tapos, ito ang maliit na bathroom. May malaking mirror. Mas malaki yung bed kesa sa Osaka. Tapos may ano ba tawag dito? Yung isusuot mo kapag ka magpa-public bath ka. Tapos meron kaming desk. May maliit na couch. May tabag. At merong air purifier. Pero ang aming view ay parking lot din. So, gusto ko yung headboard. Very Japan.
次は祇園八坂神社祇園会館前です。宇治茶の祇園辻り、茶寮辻り、金平糖の祇園牧場真髄はここでお降りください。The next stop is Gion, convenient for Yasaka Jinja Shrine.
What's this?
Gelato.
Oh, gelato. It's nice.
Going outside.
Maybe later. Hard Rock Cafe. Nandito na kami sa Gion. And wala pa kami nakikita masyadong interesting. Interesting yung ibang shops. Pero yung mga yung old street, di pa namin nakikita. Pero naglilibot-libot lang naman kami. And hindi rin kami nagugutom. Nauuhaw lang ako. We'll just keep on walking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just keep on walking. Ang ganda nito. Ang linaw ng tubig. And may restaurant dun by the river. Or hindi naman to river. Sapa. Tatsumibashi Bridge. Okay. I cannot read it. It's nice here. So dark. We can come back here during the day.
Yeah.
So we can see everything. It's inside the house. Hindi mo makita. Ang dilim. What's this? Hindi namin natiis. Papasok kami. Kasi nakita namin sa menu may hot chocolate. Perfect for this cold weather. Cute. Ang dami. What is it? Oh, for drinking and baking. And this one is spicy. Yung Christmas din. Maganda pang regalo. lots of different options. Yung pistachio, 10. Cute ng mga packaging nila. Assortment. Tapos, ito, may tin can. Ayan. Tapos, ito ang kukuha. May price naman siya. Kada chocolate. Okay. This one, triple chocolate. Ito, natural blueberry. May chocolate ball. Milk almond. Meron din palang ice cream. And so many more. Ito pa, mga pastry. Oh my God. Ano mo, pati sili nila ang ganda. May angels. Are those angels? Cherubins. Cherubs. Cherubs.
I think so.
Nakuha na namin. Ito yung kay Matt. Chocolate with spicy rum. It's good. Ito sa akin. Teeny tiny. Nung sinabi sa amin na maliit lang, hindi ko naman inakalang ganito kaliit. Ang in-order ko ay European na Aztec. Sarap. Parang tinunaw na chocolate. Sarap.
Hot or cold?
Hot. It's not that hot. Parang nasa ano to, 800 yen. Sarap. Mas masarap to kung madami. Really nice. Naman, cute. Nagpalit ako ng camera. Ginamit ko ng aking phone dahil yung camera ko ang dilim kapag gabi. Ang cute nitong tree na to. Parang weeping willow sa Harry Potter. Yan siya. It's touching the ground. Ang taas niya. Nandito kami sa Pontocho. Pontocho Dori.
Yeah.
Pontocho Dori Street. Dito maraming tea houses. And ano siya, tabi ng river. Ang tahimik. Look. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see what's inside this teeny tiny dark alley. Parang more restaurants. Ang liit na. Ang dilim talaga ng camera ko. Pag may ilaw, okay siya. Pag wala nang masyadong ilaw, ang dilim na. Kaya nagpapalit-palit ako ng camera. Ganda dito. It's nice. Barfish. Ang dilim talaga ng camera ko. Pag may ilaw, okay siya. Pag wala nang masyadong ilaw, ang dilim na. Kaya nagpapalit-palit ako ng camera. Ganda dito. Look, may maliit na shop. Jason. Ang taas. May matcha sa 10. Ang mahal. 10,000. May jazz and whiskey bar. Ito siya. cute. Dotteyaki. I think that's the end of it. Bridge na dito. Hindi pa pala yun yung katapusan. Kuminto lang sa bridge. Pero, ito pa yung karugtong. Cute. Teeny tiny alley. Para siyang Hanoi. Pero mas maganda. Tsaka mas malinis. Oh, baby takoyaki. 2-piece. I can do a 2-piece takoyaki. Hindi kami bumili ng takoyaki. Gusto ko dalawa lang. Tapos may sign doon nakalagay, you cannot eat the takoyaki around here. Saan namin kakainin? Siguro dine-in lang. Kaso, dine-in ang 2 piece lang. Pieces. So, hindi na lang kami bumili. I think ito na talaga ang end. Cute nito.
We need to come back here when the cherry blossoms are back.
Hmm?
Apparently all those trees that we have got
Yeah.
cherry blossoms. In spring there. It'll be really cool.
Yeah. Next year. I like these trees.
Yeah,
So beautiful.
they really are.
It's so quiet here. Napunta na kami dito sa, I think this is Kawaramachi. Kawaramachi area. Ang daming malls. Uuwi na kami. We need to get that bus. Number 5. Umalis na siya. Iniwan na kami.
So this is the side we get in, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's the chili grease.
Ito na yung bus.
Here we go.
Bus stop papuntang Bato. Ganda oh. Aalamin ko kung ano yan. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Ang cute oh. Dim sum place pa siya. Malapit lang yan sa hotel namin. Ang ganda ng Kyoto. Hindi kasing liwanag ng Osaka. Ooh, Tantan Men. Ramen and spicy sesame.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a Uniqlo here. There. NGU. told you about Ingay. What is it? Ingay is too loud.
Oh, right.
Ingay. So pretty. Hindi ko. Check mo to. All wood. Hotel namin. Ito na ba? Is this our hotel?
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Pero dadaan muna kami ng Family Mart. That other restaurant is open now. So it only opens at night. This one,
Oh, this one. Oh, okay.
Kyochabana.
New taste, which is no good.
And this one is
Okay.
still open. Ayun, Family Mart, tabi lang ng hotel. Nasa hotel na kami. May nabili ako. Isang pack. Magbabath na kami bago matulog. Yung gown for the bath is this. Dress siya. Unlike dun sa isang hotel na top and bottom. And it's one size, so let me see your slippers.